Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. After doing this cooking show for a while now, my favorite month's theme has always been this month. So once again we will be doing Nostalgic November, where we'll be taking a look at another 4 more easy and delicious recipes from my childhood that will hopefully help you to create memories of your own. For this episode we will be making some 1-pan egg toast. For this recipe you will need 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 to 3 eggs, some salt and pepper, 1 to 2 slices of bread. Then for fillings, some I recommend are some cold cut ham or turkey, some cheese, some bacon, and or some jam. This should be good enough for about 1 sandwich, so just as needed. First, before we cook the eggs, if you need to cook your bacon or want to crisp up your cold cut meat, you can use your pan to do so. And for any other fillings, prepare them now so we can add them quickly when we fill the egg sandwiches. During this time, we'll want to prepare the eggs as well, so crack some eggs into a bowl, add some salt and pepper, and give this a mix. Also, if you plan on using 1 slice of bread, slice it in half at this time as well. But since my bread slices are already small enough, I'll be using 2. Then when you're ready, we'll cook the eggs. So over medium-low heat your pan and then add in your butter. If you cooked some bacon before, you can also use the grease as a substitute. Then once your pan is ready, pour in your egg mixture and then give it a swirl to spread your egg evenly over the pan. Next, quickly and carefully dip and flip your bread to coat both sides with egg. Then, lay them about 1 inch apart on top of the eggs. Let this cook for a couple of minutes so that the eggs fully set. Once the eggs have set, carefully flip the bread and eggs over. Once it's flipped, fold all of the overhanging sides of the egg into the middle on top of the bread. Then, if using, place your prepared fillings of choice on top of this. Let your bread toast up for a minute or so, and then fold 1 slice over the other so that it becomes a sandwich. Remove the sandwich from the heat, add it to a plate ready to serve, and with that, your 1-pan egg toast is ready to eat. For this nostalgic recipe, I actually wanted to highlight one that was popular across social media about 5 years ago. Given the recipe's simplicity, it's no wonder that it was a hit back when everyone was locked up in their homes with nothing better to do. 2020 was only a few years ago and not really part of my childhood, but I do recall making sandwiches in a similar manner when I was younger because I hate having to clean so many pots and pans to make a meal for just 1 person. So I thought this would be the perfect recipe to highlight a couple nostalgic times in my life. One of my favorite parts of this recipe, like with all of my favorite recipes, is that it's highly customizable, with you being able to adjust the fillings to your liking. I really enjoy using this recipe to make Monte Cristo sandwiches with ham, cheese, and some jam, but you are more than welcome to put in whatever you like. You can also customize the bread to your liking as well, using white or wheat, or even sourdough. And you can even make your own from scratch by taking a trip down memory lane and using one of my many bread recipes over the past few years. But regardless of what type of ingredients you use, this delicious 1-pan egg sandwich will be a great way to quickly make some delicious food with little cleanup for breakfast or any other time of the day. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went. If you decided to make it, let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. Then, once your pan is ready, pour in your egg mixture and give it a swirl